Just another shot of the waterfall. I've got a fogger in there, so it's shooting up over there on the right side. I don't know if you can see the fog starting up. There's Pandora, taking a look at what I'm doing, seeing if I got any food for her. Seeing what's going on. Can I eat the camera? I've noticed since I put the falls in there 2 days ago that the humidity is definitely staying up there easier than I had before, and she's been a lot more active. Plus, monitors get so big, it's hard to find like a bowl that's large enough. I mean, I found like a 2-foot, 3-foot bowl and a 4-foot bowl, and they were both over $100 online. So a nice do-it-yourself project on a low budget like this. It looks good, you can do what you want, and it serves a nice purpose. The water will eventually get nice and warm. It comes apart. The top 2 floors can come off, so I can change the filter, and I can take this whole thing out and clean it if it gets dirty. Really easy to do. Took me about a week and a half, I'd say, total thing, from designing it to coming up with the materials I wanted to use, the look I wanted, how I was going to power it, how I was going to get it to work. It's made out of styrofoam and cement. You know, you got to do a coat, let it dry overnight, do another coat, let it dry, let the silicone dry one day, shape it. So it takes a little while to do, but it's well worth saving the $200 it could have cost me to get something smaller than this. Plus, as you can see, the substrate, you can see it through the glass, stays nice and moist. And that's our cool side of the tank, obviously. I got another tank heater on that side. And then over here is our hot side. You can tell it's definitely drier, it's warmer. Sunbasking right now. Nice big flat rock up here, stays hot. She sleeps underneath it all the time. But she has been happy. I will be posting the how to make this the waterfall thing. I'm going to put it on there. All the products I use is step by step. Anybody has questions and they want to make something, or you know, I can even probably make something if you live in the United States and ship it to you for a cost. It was fun to actually do, you know. I was lucky enough. The only problem I actually had with this was on the side over here. It was dripping a little bit, so I just left a little bit of a gap. So that way, if it does trickle off, it's not emptying into the tank. It's emptying back into the bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna feed you. Alright, thanks for watching. And I will make sure you check out the do-it-yourself if you want to do your own, or it doesn't have to be like this. You can do really anything you want. You can do 10 falls if you wanted to. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching.